Sunday morning, got something a bit different today. Porch repair, if you like. It used to have the door here, and it's a funny detail, it's flat this side, but then it has this plinth detail. And to tooth it, there's a half in it, so I'm going to tooth this side, take this side down, rebuild it but as it is, obviously return it there. We're going to put a plinth under the door, which as you can see is sat right back, and then we're going to tooth this out, return all this, tidy it up. So the first job is get this dropped into this old brick cleaned up. Right, I'm on with the cleaning. There the bonds are good ends on for the corners. Obviously that more or less dropped out. So yeah, I've just got to get these bricks cleaned up now. So I did forget to press record when I started knocking it down, but I'll stick it on time lapse now just for the cleaning up. So we ground it. Obviously we've got the cut edge, and I want to return a 3/4 into there. So basically it's going to be a 3/4 with a half going through, and then a 3/4 there. So the bond's not going to be the best, but so we've got the door to work with. I'm going to get these, just cut that straight up there and take out these closures that are left, and that'll leave us with that, and it's going to be 3/4 all the way up. Toys sent by Ox, thanks very much. A couple of bluebirds in. Now we can't tube this in because the bond's wrong. We tube that, we're going to have brick on brick. So I spoke to the customer, they'd rather have it bonded properly than just a straight joint up there, because that's not going to be seen. Load of bricks cleaned up. These are the ones with the good front hand side for the returns, because there's a lot of returns on here. There's 1, 2, 3. That's all to that ready. It's going to have a return and then a 3/4. There's our plinths under the sill. The sill's been cut down. Let's get the lip off it so we can get the bricks under. So first things first, build this side, and then We can get it line up and run that side in. Nice rolling brew there. Excuse me a minute. It's warm in here.
Find your nearest branch at multiple.
Alright, welcome to a new video. Sunday. Alex is off today as he has smashed the tip of his finger. He's been working the last few days, working hard, but even though he's one-handed. So he can't lay any bricks, but he's been labouring and jointing and stuff, so he's been a big help. Today's job is a porch. It's a complicated one. It's got a plinth on it, and you used to have a door on the side, so they put the new porch on. Doors now is on the front, so they've cut through the front, and the plinth detail's messed up, and also we've got to brick up where the door was. So for what it's worth, we knocked the whole corner down. I'm going to build one side completely brand new. The other side I've cut it all back Tuesday, and that's getting patched. That's all done now. Mix is on. I'm just having my dinner now. It's 20 to 12. Yeah, so it shouldn't take long really. It's all freehand work. Should look nice when it's done. Bit of tile work, like a creasing tile for where the plinth is. So I'm going to get a quick dinner now and then get back out there. So see you in a bit. 750. We need 760, so I've got 1, 2, 30 mil. 30 mil to make up. 5 to 6. It's been a long day, but the long ones are always worth it. Obviously that's where the door was. Couldn't tooth in because the bond, we really toothed in, would have threw the bond out there, straight joint, so we went for that. Customer's not too bothered about that joint there, it's more about the front. So brought this all round, reused the tiles, nice return, and then plinth bricks which I needed to cut down to get them under the sill. And one really annoying mistake, the sill wasn't cut back, so we've got a 10mm gap. So what's going to be done is we're going to put a trim up here, both sides so it matches.